Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to add drop-down lists and text areas in HTML. Today we are going to learn how to add password fields and the submit button in HTML. So let's open Sublime Text and open this file in browser. In the previous video, we have created a form up to here. Now let's go to Sublime Text and let's remove the text area because this is a registration form, so there won't be any problem for them. Now let's save our changes and now let's learn how to add password fields in HTML. So let's add password text and let me keep a colon after that, and then we use the input tag for adding password fields. So let me add the input tag and the type will be password because we are adding a password field. So let me give type equal to password and let's give id equal to pwd first. So first we'll give a password field and then we'll give a confirm password field. So let's copy this and then let's add 2 BRs and then let's paste it, and first let's add a confirm text. So this is confirm password and let's change the ID to pwbcp. CP stands for confirm password. Now let's save our changes and open this file in browser. Now you can see that 2 fields are added for password and confirm password. So in the password I can type anything, but it will be displayed as dots because this is a password field, and if we right click anywhere in this password field, copy button is disabled because we cannot copy anything in password. So let's select all these and let's right click on it, and copy button is disabled and cut button is also disabled because this is a password field. And let's learn about a few attributes. This is same as a text box, but just the text will be appearing as dots. So all the attributes will be same as a text box. So anyway, let's add those. So for the first field, let's add placeholder equal to enter your password. And for the second field, let's add placeholder equal to enter your password again. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that placeholders are being displayed here, and as we had for the text box, we also have a value attribute and we can give value equal to something which will be the default value. So let me give value equal to AS. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that already 2 characters are there in the password field, that is the value which we have typed. So let's remove the value attribute, and another attribute is disabled, which is there for all of the input controls. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that the first field is disabled. We can't enter any text here, and let's remove disabled now. Another attribute is max length. So let's give max length equal to 5. So we cannot type more than 5 characters here. Now let's refresh the browser and let's try to type more than 5 characters. Now I have typed 5 characters in the password field. If I try to type more characters, it won't allow me to type. Now let's learn how to add submit button to this form. So first let me remove max length equal to 5 and let's give 2 BRs after confirm. So let me give 2 BRs now, and next let's write input type equal to submit. We don't need any text here because we are not asking the user to do anything. We just need a button here. So input type equal to submit. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser and let's scroll down. Now you can see that we have a submit button here. We can even customize the text inside this button. So let's go back to Sublime Text and let's write the value attribute. So before that, let's change the ID. So let me remove name and write ID equal to SBM for submit and SBM submit, because this is the submit button. And let's give value equal to submit in all capital letters. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that all the letters are changed to capital letters, and even we can type some more also. So let me type submit your details. Now let's save our changes and refresh the browser. Now you can see that submit your details is written here. Right now you can see that our form has method equal to get here. In the next video, we will learn the difference between method equal to get and method equal to post. Bye friends.